In part 1, we covered 5 beginner-friendly ways to make money with crypto. But today, we're going deeper with advanced strategies that can 10x your profits if done right. So if you're ready to take your crypto game to the next level, let's get into it. Did you know you can make money without predicting market movements? Crypto arbitrage is all about buying low on one exchange and selling high on another for instant profits. For example, Bitcoin is $60,500 on Binance but $61,000 on Coinbase. Buy it on Binance and instantly sell it on Coinbase to pocket the difference. Pro tip: use arbitrage bots like Pionex or Bitsgap to automate this and make passive income. Want to multiply your profits? Futures trading lets you use leverage to trade with more money than you actually have. Example: you have $1,000 but use 10x leverage. Now you control $10,000 in trades. If Bitcoin goes up 5%, you make $500 instead of $50. But be careful, if the market moves against you, you can lose everything. Pro tip: only risk what you can afford to lose and always use stop-loss orders. Don't have time to trade? AI trading bots can do it for you. These bots analyze the market 24/7 and execute trades based on preset strategies. Some of the best ones include 3, great for grid trading; Pionex, built-in free trading bots; Crypto Hopper, automated AI strategies. Pro tip: always test bots with small amounts first to see if they're profitable. Ever wished you could buy Bitcoin when it was just a few dollars? Launchpads let you invest in new crypto projects before they hit major exchanges. Some of the best launchpads include Binance Launchpad for Binance Smart Chain projects, Polkastarter for multi-chain projects, DAO Maker for early-stage tokens. Pro tip: many launchpad projects do 10x to 100x in price after launch, but always research before investing. Want to earn passive income like a bank? Running a crypto node helps process blockchain transactions, and you get paid for it. Some profitable options: Ethereum Validator Node, earn ETH by securing the Ethereum network. Flux and Strongblock nodes, earn rewards for running decentralized infrastructure. Pro tip: some nodes need big investments but they pay steady passive income over time. Not all crypto profits happen on the blockchain. Some of the best opportunities are real-world businesses. Here are some ways to profit off crypto without trading. Start a crypto YouTube channel, like this one. Offer crypto consulting to beginners. Sell digital products, like crypto trading courses. Run a Bitcoin ATM business. Charge fees for people to buy, sell crypto. The best part? These businesses pay in both cash and crypto. Traditional banks pay you less than 1% interest, but DeFi lending lets you earn 10 to 20% APY. Platforms like Aave lend crypto and earn interest. Compound, automated lending and borrowing. Curve Finance, stablecoin rewards. The key: only lend on trusted platforms. Scams are everywhere. There you have it, 6 advanced ways to make money with crypto. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto money-making tips. See you in the next one.